Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create your Mollie account. So the first thing that you have to do is go to your browser and search my.mollie.com, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. So from here, you just have to provide your first name, last name, email address, and then make your password. Once you're done, just go ahead and click on create account. So let me just do that in a second. So now let's go ahead and click on create account. Let's just wait for a moment. So now it will ask you to verify your email. So you just have to go to your email and then get the verification code. So just click on this one and then you will just receive the code on your email. So just go and check it in there. So I'm just going to tap on the authenticate at the bottom. And let's wait for it to authenticate the code. So let's just wait for it. So in here, you will be asked to provide which country your business is registered. So just go ahead and pick your country in here and then click continue after that. Next step is to find your business. So just go ahead and type in here the business legal name. So this is just an example. So I just picked a random business name from here, and then in here you just have to confirm the details. So you have to provide the address, the postal code, and the city. And lastly is you also have to check the box at the bottom to agree to the privacy statement and then tap on continue after that. So that is the last step on this one. So once you tap on the continue, you will have your Mollie account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!